Machines are complex systems that consist of structural elements, mechanisms, and control components, and have made modern life very convenient and challenging. Over the years, manufacturing companies have started including new generative design capabilities, giving rise to new tools to deal with the challenges that they face in different segments. In today's video, we're about to see 10 amazing factory machines that you need to see. Number 10. NovaCut 106ER. Wouldn't it be great if you no longer needed to strip the edge waste from your die cut work? This machine is the answer to it. NovaCut 106ER is a die cutter by the Swiss organization Bosch. From a pioneering die cutter right up to today's highly sophisticated production lines, Bosch has continuously developed and improved the technology of the flatbed die cutting process. The NovaCut 106ER works with paper, different sorts of cardboard, and semi-rigid plastics, laminates, aluminum foil, and many more, and it runs up to a maximum speed of 8,000. The device puts pressure on sheets, giving shape to the products. It can likewise punch openings and cavities in them, ensures smooth sheet transfer at high speed, thus ensuring finer nicks on the carton and exact positioning of the gripper bar. Generally, the separation of the work pieces includes a great deal of challenges, significant expenses, and utilizing a few bits of gear, but the NovaCut separates the sheets automatically, hence limiting the expense, reducing workload, and also improves the performance and increases the precision. This equipment is used to create packaging and also printing labels for juices and soft drinks, frozen food, pharma, cosmetics, and fragrance. Enhancing finished product quality, the NovaCut 106ER is aimed at serious players in the folding carton business that looks for faster turnaround and higher productivity with the best cost efficiency. Number 9. Bouchier BORGHI. Bouchier is one of the largest suppliers of automatic brush manufacturing machines. It is production of toothbrushes, household brooms and brushes, technical industrial brushes, and articles for personal care. This equipment is ease of use and versatility for household brush manufacturing at a reduced investment cost. When it comes to these machines, they come in different types for different products. Like the Smart V2 Plus, it has 5 axes of movement and runs in a continuous work cycle. It produces brooms, flat brushes, and round head toilet brushes at a reduced investment cost. This equipment also features simplified operating and maintenance procedures and is equipped with pneumatic lifting system for the fiber stock boxes, double belt filling head, air conditioning for the electric panel, and router for remote assistance. The Bouchier also features Sharp 6 Plus, an equipment that is ideal for finishing high volumes of brooms and brushes. Sharp 6 Plus is based on a cam system, allowing different trimming profiles for different shapes. It also offers a wide selection of tools to ensure higher quality finishing. Number 8. Vacuum Forming, Ceramic Industries. Vacuum forming is a popular thermoforming technique. In this process, flat sheets of plastic or organic glass are used as raw materials. These raw materials are then heated to a forming temperature, which becomes soft and malleable. After the sheet is heated, it's taken out and it's stretched onto a single surface table to avoid any change in shape. This is when the vacuum forming equipment comes into operation. The sheet is pressed against the mold. The equipment then pumps out the air, which causes the acrylic to settle on top of the mold. The liquid hardens and sets inside the mold, adopting its shape. This equipment shows that the acrylic baths and showers are made in a rather unusual way. Number 7. Bosch Industry 4.0. This is not an equipment just for one production task. The Industry 4.0 is a developmental plan offered by Bosch Rexroth to several companies in the world. With the fully connected Industry 4.0 production line, Bosch takes the digital factory to the next level. It combines individual experiences, tasks, and knowledge from manufacturing employee to create software that is geared to practical requirements. They've taken a challenge and are uniquely prepared to help others with easier solutions. Production has become transparent, versatile, and flexible, thanks to the smooth interaction of the physical and virtual production world. To some extent, the production line modules manufactures parts automatically. In Industry 4.0, humans remain indispensable within the production process. It leads to a faster and more flexible production process, greater efficiency of material, and reduction of complexity and downtime. Number 6. Hydraulic Biomass Briquette, GEMCO Energy. The hydraulic biomass briquette machine is manufactured by the Chinese company GEMCO Energy. Rice husk briquette machine can make the rice husk to briquette for further usage. It is a way to recycle the rice husk and make value from the product. Usually, rice husks being light and their diameters not exceeding 5 mm, transporting such a mass would be difficult if it weren't for the hydraulic biomass briquette machine. The forming system includes 3 hydraulic cylinders and the mold, with the molding cavity linked to one end of the conveyor, where the finished briquette can have rectangular, hexagonal, octagonal, round, or any other shape. It also specializes in processing fine materials from tree branches, twigs, waste wood blocks, rice husks, straw, paperboard, and other wood substances, and so on. Number 5. Tire and Wheel Assembly System. The manufacturer of this line is the American company Dominion Technologies Group. The tire fitting machine is typically a part of the automatic wheel assembly line. In order to ensure optimum processing of rims and tires, it is monitored depending on the type. The result of this fine-tuning is a flexible, fully automated system that handles multiple combinations of tire and wheel size. Dominion tire lines can be configured with independent single stations or with the independent dual stations. Each station automatically configures itself for the size of the tire and wheel. Using single bead mounting techniques, the capacity is up to 360 wheels per hour. Number 4. DIALOG HiQ. This machine allows achieving repeatable welds with low welding forces of 5 Newton. There are several ways to join workpieces, and one of them is ultrasonic welding. If you're wondering what it is, it's the joining or reforming of thermoplastic through the use of heat generated from high-frequency mechanical motion. It's ideal for working not only with metals but also plastics, fabrics, and even leathers. To bond two thermoplastic parts, it is necessary that the materials be chemically compatible. The HiQ DIALOG is one of the most powerful and benefit-packed ultrasonic welding system worldwide. This equipment combines the benefits of pneumatics with the dynamics of an electric drive. That also allows the user to choose any starting point for the weld process. It has a soft touch mode that helps spare sensitive weld joints of the plastic parts to be joined. This equipment works in conjunction with a robot. It has a marking device that marks the product's date and the time of its manufacture and the individual number on the products, and also a video camera so you can visualize the overall weld process and also control the quality of welding. Number 3. Nargesa. The pipes and profiles bending machine Nargasa are designed to ease up the bending of different profiles like flat bar or bar sections under the influence of high temperature. They can also work on T-profile, rolling U-profile, bending angle, bending solid rod, spiral tube, or even to perform square, rectangle, or round pipe in different materials like iron, copper, and many more. This equipment is made of weld and mechanized steel sheet. It has 3 traction rollers, which is ideal and essential to work with pipes and obtain a perfect finish with a smooth surface without getting the profile damage. It secures transmissions by using flat hardened pinions, and it can take a maximum capacity for bending round pipes of 2 inches. The Nargesa section and pipe bending machine minimizes the manufacturing cost and also provides maximum performance. Number 2. LT7. The Excellence in Laser Tube Range LT7 is a fiber laser processing machine for metal pipes and profiles. This equipment assures the best cut accuracy at the highest productivity. With the LT7, you can easily cut round, square, and rectangular tubes, all within the standard capabilities of the machine, leaving complex curved notches on the surface. High reliability and throughput can be achieved with any type of tube, but the real advantage is in the production quality. For bigger weld seams, the machine adapts the laser parameters of each step to ensure cutting continuity and perfect scrap detachment. This model is not just limited to just round, square, or rectangular. Special shaped tubes or open sections can be programmed and cut without problems, weighing up to 23 kilograms. An additional advantage is that the LT7 can perform 3D cutting. The orientation movement of the cutting head allows you to achieve unimaginable productivity, especially when cutting thin wall materials. It has 3 programmable unloading positions to separate out different pieces, which also saves time. But the real advantage is in the production quality. For bigger weld seams, the machine adapts the laser parameters at each step to ensure cutting continuity and perfect scrap detachment. Everything in LT7 is automatic with no machine stops. Number 1. OptiJoINT V8. If high performance is what you're looking for, look no further. The OptiJoINT V8 is used to produce glued window scantlings, sawn timber, and paneling. It can handle small workpieces at high production capacity, both when it comes to continuous steady flow throughout different processes, as well as from one process to another. Its horizontal and vertical finger jointers are designed with high-quality mechanical and electrical components. The line to it is split into 2. The first is the cutting device, which processes the workpiece to form tiny details required for jointing with maximum precision, where almost 100 workpieces pass through the machine each minute. The second part of the line is the press. It is responsible for connecting the workpieces to every other. In one 8-hour shift, the equipment creates up to 30,000 meters of built-up beams. With the OptiJoINT, you'll be enjoying maximum precision, excellent jointing quality, and high performance. Say goodbye to downtime, as this finger jointer's jointing, gluing, and pressing processes occur at very high speeds with high production capacities. What do you think about these amazingly convenient gadgets? Let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a like, also subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.